Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. I know many people are not accepted into Merch by Amazon because of the geographical location. For example, North Africa and South Asia, their acceptance rate is 5%. Today I will show you how to exploit artificial intelligence in order to be accepted into Merch by Amazon. First you have to go to Chatgpt. It is a site that has become famous recently and made a big noise in several fields, where it is possible to dispense with programming. To return to our topic, we click on sign up. After that, you can register with your email or register with your account on Google or with your account on Microsoft. We click on continue with Google. After that we choose a Google account. We click on continue. Now you have to activate your account with your phone number. After that we log into the site. The interface of the site appears with us in this form. Here you can use artificial intelligence to accept the Merch by Amazon. Now we will ask the site to write a Merch by Amazon application letter for us. Right here, write a Merch by Amazon application letter that I can submit to increase my chance of being accepted. After that we click here. Directly start writing a letter that will be you serve it for your application. You must review it and add your name and lineage here. It is a wonderful model and is written very professionally. When registering in Merch by Amazon, do not neglect any field, even if it is optional. You must write information in it, and do not register with your Google account. It is better to register with your account on Outlook, because I have noticed that many people have been accepted using Outlook. My friends, I hope that you will be accepted in Merch by Amazon. It can take several weeks for your application to be reviewed, and not all applicants are accepted into the program. If your application is approved, you will receive an email with instructions on how to access the Merch by Amazon dashboard and start selling your designs. If your application is denied, you may be able to reapply after 60 days. And I hope you liked this video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Dear Merch by Amazon review team, I am writing to apply for the Merch by Amazon program. I am an avid fan of the platform and have been consistently impressed by the high quality and variety of products available for purchase. I am confident that my skills and experience make me a strong candidate for the program, and I am excited to bring my creativity and passion for design to the Merch by Amazon community. I have a background in graphic design and have been creating my own designs for t-shirts, hats, and other products for several years. I have a strong eye for detail and a passion for creating visually appealing designs that resonate with customers. In addition to my design skills, I am also highly organized and detail-oriented, which I believe are essential qualities for success in the Merch by Amazon program. I am excited about the opportunity to be a part of the Merch by Amazon program and contribute my designs to the platform. I am confident that my skills and experience make me a strong candidate for the program, and I look forward to the opportunity to join the community and create high-quality products for customers. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to join the Merch by Amazon community and contribute my designs to the platform. Sincerely, your name.